This station rules the nation.
Well, it's going to be about 72 degrees down around Big D Dallas break.
Hello, Bulldozer. Hello, Bulldozer. 911 in the apple trees waving.
How about a 911? You copy Dilligaf mobile? 911, Big Apple Tree, Dilligaf. I'm in my mobile. We're about 35 miles north of Dallas, Texas.
I heard you calling for 911 out there. We didn't get that handle. 911 in the apple trees waving a hand.
All right, man. I appreciate the shout. Holler at me anytime. Trail Boss, 818 Big D Dallas. Double deuce. Till we do it again, I'll see you.
Dallas making a whole lot of noise in the Big Apple trees. Hello around Dallas, 911 New York City waving.
Trail Boss, and I'm rolling now.
Hello Trail Ball, 911 New York City waving.
Hello, 911. Hello, 911. 818 Dallas, Texas, right back.
818, sounding clean and pristine in my VIDEOGATES New York City. 818, 911 New York City waving.
Morning waving. Holler at me anytime. 818 Trail Boss, Dallas. I'll see you.
And for 818, good contact. Sounding a whole lot of good in New York City. 911 in the apple trees, we waving.
911, be safe. I'm gone. I'll see you.
I heard that 7-4 in there. I heard that 7-4 in Kansas out there. How about a 74? 911 in the apple trees waving.
911 in the trees. Good to hear you, brother. Come on in.
7-4, you doing your thing over here in the apple trees. Old 7-4 in Kansas. 911 New York City waving a hand.
Wow. Okay. Hey, 911. 73, God's grace. I'm just checking out this new President Richard.
7-4 and the President Richard. Yeah, I have one of those radios. The President Richard. Does some good numbers when it comes to wattage. Sounding good over here in New York City. 911 in these trees, we waving.
All right, 911. 73, God's grace. Round your place. 911, Big Apple Tree. 74 back out. Thank you, brother. Always a pleasure.
7474, enjoy the new radio. 911 in the apple trees, we read in the mail. I copy that Dilligaf mobile. I copy that Dilligaf over here in New York City. 911 New York, just got down.
You watch. All right, man, I hear you in Cut and Shoot, Texas. Hey, Tommy T, I'm in Cut and Shoot, Texas. You got to cut your way in? I'm standing by.
Hey, Dilligaf, why you making all that noise in that mobile? Old Dilligaf, 911 in the apple trees, waving.
I'm going to wave right back, 911. You sounded real good across my hood in Cut and Shoot, Texas. No doubt, 911 is Dilligaf waving.
Dilligaf, you doing your thing in that mobile. That mobile smoking over here in the Big Apple trees. Old Dilligaf, 911 New York City with the morning wave.
Hello, Triple Five. 12 in Louisiana breaking.
Hello around Louisiana. Hello around the BYU. 911 in the apple trees waving.
Doing good, bud. I hear somebody say hello.
Sounding a whole lot of good coming out the BYU. 911 in the apple trees, we waving.
Hey, 911. Hey, 911. 601 Black Swan in the Magnolia. Hey, 911. Don't worry about Louisiana and the BYU. 601 Black Swan in the Magnolia said come here.
Hey, 601, man, you got it. Hey, 601, you just cleaned out my video gate in the Big Apple Trees. 601 in the mag, 911 in the Apple Trees, we waving.
911, sounded real good, big brother. Welcome to the weekend and have a safe, blessed one. I don't know if you got a fan blowing in the background, but I tell you what, it's quiet as a church mouse. I can hear your stomach growling. That's how duck-plucking quiet it is in the background. I don't hear nothing but you. 601, Black Swan, Magnolia, I'm stepping.
Hey, 601, Roger on the full quiet. If I roger that on the full quiet, no, 601, 911 in the Apple Trees just got down.
410, put on you later. 911, Big Apple Trees, 601, Black Swan, bottom west side of the Magnolia, just told you, I'm stepping.
That's what I'm talking about. We gotta make some noise out there around DX land. 911 in the Apple Trees with the video gate rolling, let's go. Calling from the Bayou Country. I hear you calling from the BYU, but you sound a little staticky over here, man. Conditions are not swinging that way. 911 in the Apple Trees, we waving. Hello, Bulldozer. Hello, Bulldozer, we heard you in there. Oh, Bulldozer, 911 in the Apple Trees, we waving. I heard you say have a good day and you read in the mail. I think you coming out of Louisiana with a whole lot of audio, but I didn't get that 28. 911 in the Apple Trees, we waving.
Hey, 911, like I told you before, man, just stop over here in the Magnolia. 601, Black Swan, Magnolia, just told you, I'm stepping.
Hey, man, you cleaning it out coming out of Magnolia. You clean out my receiver in New York City coming out the mag. 911 in the Apple Trees, we waving.
911, put on your modulator. 601, Black Swan in the Magnolia, I'm stepping.
Black Swan in the Magnolia, making a whole lot of noise in my video gate in the Big Apple Trees. Oh, Black Swan, 911 New York City, we listening.
410.
Breaker 2, for a little boy on the bicycle with the basket.
There's a little boy on the bicycle with the basket. Is he gonna go pick up E.T.? Is he gonna go pick up E.T. and go fly around the moon? 911 in the trees, we waving.
He's got a bicycle basket, he loves it. He's got a flower basket. He's got a flower basket on his bicycle, 600 does.
Shame on the mess. He said he got a flower basket. He said he got himself a little bell and a flower basket. 911 in the Apple Trees just got down. I hear you calling, but you're in the noise level right about now. Hopefully conditions pick up and swing around your way. 911 in the Apple Trees, we waving.
Hey, 911. I fired up the engine so I could try and make the trip. Ain't nobody but old Bulldozer once again. 911, where's the video gate? Break.
Now we talking, Bulldozer. Hey, Bulldozer, now we talking. Now you're playing with power, Bulldozer. 911 in the trees just got down.
Go, Roger, 911. I got a nose problem, bro. I need you to wipe my face for me. I need to know where's your video gate. Hey, 911.
Hey, Bulldozer, the video gate is rolling. Hey, Bulldozer, the video gate is rolling as we speak, Bulldozer. Stay tuned. 911 in the apple trees. You already know we just got down.
One more time, let me see if I can. Hey, 911, coming there. Try one more time. I'm standing by.
Hey, Bulldozer, you doing your thing, man. Cause this will be a little rough on your end, but I hear you. Bulldozer, 911 in the apple trees just got down.
Your cat speaking video game. 911, Bulldozer's mobile is back out.
Hey, Bulldozer, 911 NYC VIDEOGATES. 911 NYC VIDEOGATES on your YouTube. 911 in these trees just got down.
Hello, 911. Hey, 911, Bo Diddley waving. Break.
Hello, Bo Diddley. Hello, Bo Diddley. Good morning, Bo Diddley. 911 in the apple trees, we waving.
They're gonna jump in and wave hard. Friday wave, burner, welcome to the weekend.
It got a little messy that time around, Bo. Hey, Bo Diddley, it got a little messy that time around. 911 in the apple trees, we waving.
D.W.B in the dope, and I'm back right there. I can tell what happened.
Sound like Mother Nature starting to wake up. It sound like that Mother Nature starting to wake up. 911 in the apple trees, we waving. Let's see who's gonna clean out this video gate. I hear a whole lot of bees are buzzing in my receive. Let's see who's gonna clean out this video gate in the big apple trees. 911 New York just got down. Flatfoot in the black gold, 911 in the apple trees, we waving.
Wow, that was a whole bunch of bees in my receive. Welcome to the weekend there, burner. Well, good morning.
No, Roger, no, get back on that Flatfoot. 911 in the big trees, we listening.
Hey, 911, I'm going to get up in the trees. Hey, 911, trees, L.D.O. Good day, Friday, wait, burner.
Hello, long distance operator. Hello, L.D.O. 911 in the apple trees, we waving right back.
Right back. Alright, everybody, you have a good day up here, 911. Welcome to the weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Always, man. Good area up here. Number 12 in the garden said he's working on one field modulator. Please come in.
Hey, it got a little messy that time around. Hey, long distance operator, it got a little messy that time around. Oh, L.D.O. 911 in the apple trees, we waving. Don't feed the junkies in the big apple trees. Hey, we got one rule over here in New York City. We say don't feed the junkies in the big apple trees. 911, New York City just got down.
911, hey 911, your friend Flatfoot, 442 when the gold got down.
Hey, Flatfoot, you making a whole lot of noise in the big apple trees. Oh, Flatfoot 442 911, we're gonna put your name in the Hall of Fame. 911 of these trees just got down.
Hey, 4 Roger, 911, sounding good. Sounding good in my hood. 911, Flatfoot in the gold. We rocking on. Bye.
Hey, Flatfoot, you cleaning out my video gate in New York City right about now. Oh, Flatfoot, nobody but you. 911 in these trees just got down. noise in the apple trees. Old dirty white boy. 911, New York City, just got down. D.W.B. A D.W.B. A dirty white boy. 911 in the apple trees. We waving. Hey, dirty white boy. We been hearing you jumping up and down in there. Hey, dirty white boy. You making noise in New York City. Dirty white boy. 911 in the apple trees. Just got down. You said it, D.W.B. with that old school tram. Welcome to the weekend, D.W.B. 911 in the trees, we listening.
I'm gonna wave my hand right your way, my friend, and say welcome to the weekend and ease back on this meal. T-Bone, said I'm gone.
Hey, T-Bone. Hey, T-Bone, we gotta do it one more time for the March of Dimes. Oh, T-Bone, we had a recorder going. Oh, T-Bone, 911 in the apple trees, just got down.
911, you know how it goes there, 911. You know, out there in the world of sound, man. You come on Big D, man, and they all trying to come back up in your radio. And if I hear them, I just feel compelled to acknowledge somebody's station if I hear them there, 911. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, Diddley.
Hey, you know how it is, T-Bone. You gotta talk to who you hear. You gotta talk to your radio over there. 911 in the apple trees just got down.
10-4 there, brother. I'm gonna ease on back, man. I'm gonna read the mail. Got a couple of things to do up in the house over here. Got the grandbaby coming today, so I have to grandbaby proof my station so the grandson don't get to it and start turning knobs. 911. T-Bone said, I'm really going to be back on the mail this time. I got a couple of things to go do. I'll see ya.
Hey, T-Bone, you know how that goes. Everything they see you playing with, they want to play with. They see you messing around with that radio all the time, it looks interesting to them. Hey, T-Bone, baby proof the station. 911 in the trees just got down.
911? Yeah, man, look out. It's ringing.
Who's that calling 911? Come on. Smoking these big apple trees, and we just got down.
Good day, welcome to the weekend. 601 Black Swan in the Magnolia with the wave.
601 in the mag, man. You still cleaning out my video gate in New York City. 601 in the mag, 911 in the apple tree, just got down.
911 apple trees. I was trying to talk to 222 till you plug my stuff, plug your ears. One more again. Put on your little 911, Big Apple Tree, 601, Black Swan, Magnolia, got down.
Hey, 601, we gonna slide to the side, let you do your thing. 601, 911, we reading your mail.
I'm just talking to my radio. That's all. Put on your little 911, 601, Black Swan, Magnolia, I'm stepping.
And for a Black Swan, that's a Black Swan Roger, 911, we listening. 911, smoking these big apple trees with the video gate rolling, let's go.
You got the video gate rolling? Did I hear you right on there? They caught bigger than 911. Did I hear you right? Did you say you got the video gate rolling? Did you say you got the gate is rolling around New York? The old 415 down here around them where the bank to the BYU want to know, did I hear you right? Did I hear you right? Old 415 is paying attention.
Hey, 415, you heard that right. Hey, 4015, you doing your thing in the Big Apple trees, cleaning out my video gate in New York City. 911 just got down.
Fine, 911, I thought I heard you right on that trying to get in. You said you had the gate rolling. I thought I heard you. You said you had the gate rolling. 911, you sounded good down here. 0415, I thought my ears were deceiving me on this trying to get in. 4015 around the muddy banks. Me 0415, 415 in the bayou is in the clear.
Hey, 415, you doing your thing. Hey, 415, you cleaning it out in New York City. 0415, 911, big trees, waving a hand.
415 right, you're 911 around the big trees, the Big Apple. The 0415, I got it all. You said it, and I got it. 4015, 911, 4015 is in the clear.
They making a whole lot of noise over here, 415, louder than a 12 o'clock whistle. 911 in the apple trees, we reading your mail.
They making a whole lot of noise over here, 415, louder than a 12 o'clock whistle. 911 in the apple trees, we reading your mail. And that's my 415 radio. 415 is clear, 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 clear.
Hey, thanks for the boomerang. Thanks for the boomerang, 415, man. You get yours when you watch the video gate. 415, 911 in the apple trees just got down.
Likewise, on it in. Welcome to the weekend. So I hope we can do it again down in Coax real soon. If Mother Nature will use it on that end, 0415 down in the bayou. 415 is clear, 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 clear. You hear?